Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily apply the splice effect in CapCut. So first, you can just add the videos that you want to edit. You can add more than one videos, and after that, you can go straight to effects, video effects, and here you can just swipe until you find this cartoon category. So in here, just scroll down until you find the splice video effect. This one's right here. Click on that, and now your videos will be split into 3 frames like this. Don't forget to adjust the length to match with the video durations. And this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!